In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change default view in Microsoft Excel. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and look to the top left corner of the screen. Click the File tab. This will take you to the main Backstage menu, where Excel keeps its program settings and other workbook options. Once you are in that menu, move to the green navigation panel on the left side. Scroll all the way to the bottom if needed, then click Options. This opens the Excel Options window, which is where you can control many of the default settings for how Excel behaves. When the Excel Options window appears, take a moment to confirm that it has opened fully on your screen. On the left side of this window, you will see a list of categories. Click General at the top of that list. The General section contains several startup and workbook creation preferences, including the setting that controls the default sheet view. After that, look to the right side of the window and scroll down through the settings until you find the section called When Creating New Workbooks. This area includes options that affect every new workbook you create going forward, so it is the right place to make this change. In that section, find the setting labeled Default View for New Sheets. Click the drop-down menu next to it. You will now see the available view options that Excel can use by default whenever you create a new sheet. Choose the view style that fits the way you work. Normal view is the standard spreadsheet layout and is best for everyday editing and data entry. Page Break Preview is useful if you want to see how your worksheet will be split across printed pages. Page Layout View gives you a more paper-like display, so you can see margins, headers, and footers while you work. This can be especially helpful if your files are often prepared for printing or presentation. Once you have selected your preferred option, go to the bottom right corner of the Excel Options window and click OK. That saves your new setting and applies it to future sheets you create in Excel. Keep in mind that this changes the default view for new sheets, so existing worksheets may stay in their current view unless you change them manually. That covers everything you need to know.